Hey, follow me into this laundry room. We're going to talk about code minimum requirements. Pretty basic here. In a laundry area for a single family dwelling, at least one 120 volt receptacle is required in the area designated for the laundry equipment. See, in this case, we have an electric dryer. The 30 amp 4-prong receptacle, this is a 240 volt receptacle, is co-located with the dryer vent. Perfect, well planned. The GFCI receptacle, not a big fan of this honestly, is located behind the wash machine. That's not a great configuration because what if that thing trips? You've got a 60-pound wash machine sitting in front of your reset button. But it does meet the code requirement. So if this was a gas dryer and there's a gas hookup here, again, probably not optimally located, then both the washer and the dryer would be a 120 volt appliance and would plug into this receptacle. This receptacle on its own meets the code requirements. The laundry is required to have a dedicated 20 amp circuit that services no other receptacles or lighting in the house other than this laundry room, and GFCI protection is required. Think of all the sources of water. We have a sink, we have a wash machine. Who has not been in a situation where there has been water on the floor of the laundry room? In this case, we have an additional GFCI receptacle and a countertop receptacle, which is extremely practical. The code does state that areas in the home, because we have a countertop that is more than 12 inches wide, 12 inches or more, areas of the home such as kitchens, pantries, etc. that have countertop surfaces, work surfaces that are 12 inches or more, be serviced by a receptacle that meets the requirements. That is, not more than 18 inches above the work surface and not more than 12 inches below the work surface. Lighting control by the door at the point of entry. We have 2 overhead lights. The minimum would be 1 overhead light. And we have receptacles to code. The laundry room is excluded from living space, what is called living space in the code. So we don't have the basic outlet requirements around the perimeter every 6 feet from the door and then 12 feet thereafter.